to be doing an unboxing. I think this is what are you doing? Okay. Oh, it is what? It's all my Fox stuff. Something's ripped open for some reason. Oh, I wonder why. Well, I think this is a hoodie. It is. Yup. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Moto Fox Racing trademark. Something. That's gonna be my work jacket. Here I got a blue Fox shirt. Good God, these things are comfortable. I feel it. See? And then I got a gray Fox hoodie. Another hoodie. Will you stop cleaning yourself on camera, Cat? Good Lord. He's setting up like a human right now. Holy Jesus. Oh, wait. Oh, Lord, this is a big hoodie. It's Fox Racing. Cody, if you're watching this, I'm going to give you a shirt. Because I got two of the same. I'm going to give you one. Apparently, I got two of the same. Because I wasn't even expecting that. This one I love. I had another Fox shirt, but it ripped right here. Oh, my mom said, am I up? I'm like, yeah, no duh. So, wait, are these the same or are they different? Oh, they're different. I'm still gonna give you one though, Cody. I might keep this one. Yeah, I'll give you this one, Cody. So, be expecting that when we come back to school. We got a little... Oh, that's my mom's crap. Oh, the laundry detergent? Oh, it's for clothes. I'm dumb. I'm gonna clean all this crap up. Do not eat. Oh. Meow meow. You love getting in boxes, don't you, Cat? There you go. So yeah, that was just a little unboxing thingy I was doing. I was bored. I was playing Terraria. Holy Jesus. It snowed this morning. Well, it was snowing last night. And it just stopped. And then the sun came out and just disappeared. I hate you. Thing sucks. I don't like Yamaha. Well, now we got a big old pile of clothes here. So better go get that sorted. See y'all in the next one. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notification. Bye.
Honey, come on. 5 minutes and we're leaving.
5 minutes.